A University of Washington research team has designed one of the most highly capable 5-fingered robot hands in the world. This thing is not only more dexterous than any robot that I've ever seen, but it uses machine learning algorithms that help it figure out how it can take an object and, say, roll it around in its hands, and it gets better at it with each subsequent attempt. The team's hand, which cost about $300,000 to build, uses a shadow hand skeleton, actuated with a custom pneumatic system, and it can move faster than a human hand. Right now, the tech is too expensive for routine commercial or industrial use, but it allows the researchers to push core technologies and test innovative control strategies. As the robot hand performs different tasks, the system collects data from various sensors and motion capture cameras and employs machine learning algorithms to continually refine and develop more realistic models. So far, the team has demonstrated local learning with the hardware system, which means the hand can continue to improve at a discrete task that involves manipulating the same object in roughly the same way. Next, the team will attempt global learning, which means that the hand could figure out how to manipulate an object that it has never before encountered. Stick around, folks! NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida is one step closer to processing the Space Launch System, the most powerful rocket in the world, which will eventually play a role in NASA's journey to Mars. NASA recently conducted a successful test on the 2 J-level work platforms, which were activated and simulated how they would surround the massive rocket on the mobile launcher. Now, the J-level is just one of 10 levels that will surround the SLS rocket and Orion spacecraft in the high bay. The platforms will extend and retract and give engineers and technicians access to the various areas of the giant rocket. Each platform half is about 62 feet wide, 38 feet long, and weighs somewhere between 300 and 325,000 pounds, all about 11 stories above the facility floor. It was a significant milestone and hopefully one of many yet to come. Stick around, folks! A startup company from a European Space Agency business incubator is now developing the world's first vertical takeoff and landing aircraft for personal use. All you're gonna need is a 15 by 15 meter space, and you could be vertically taking off from your own backyard, flying to work at 250 miles per hour, rather than fighting traffic during construction season. Or, having to worry about getting to and from your hobby airport. I suppose it's about time that I pave over that pond. Founded in February 2015 by 4 engineers and students from the Technical University of Munich, Lilium has already proven the concept with several scale 25-kilogram prototypes and is now developing its first ultralight aircraft. The vehicle combines the benefits of helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft while avoiding their drawbacks. So while you can take off and land like a helicopter, the engines swivel to propel it forward like an aircraft. It's entirely electric, and the ducted fan engines make for a much quieter takeoff. And its batteries, engines, and controllers, they're all redundant, which also makes it safer than conventional helicopters. A half-size prototype is already testing the friendly skies, and a full-size unmanned prototype is planned for this summer. The electric 2-seater is scheduled to hit the market in 2018. Only 2 more years to get that pilot's license, or helicopter license. What kind of license do you get to fly it? Should ask that question. I'm David Mantey, and this is Engineering by Design. The hand, the stage, and then the up.